Let's implement Rule 110 in Microsoft Basic for the Macintosh. First, we just define some arrays using dim, which defines the dimension of the array. Let's make two 500 element arrays. And let's make an array for the rule. Pascal uses one-indexed arrays, unlike most other modern languages that use zero-indexed arrays. And let's turn one of the pixels black. I'm going to push it over towards the right side of the screen because Rule 110 only evolves to the left. It doesn't evolve to the right. And then let's do 250 generations. And then let's iterate through the current generation. And if the current pixel is black, then we'll use the pset function, which sets a single pixel to black. Otherwise, we'll use the preset function, which sets a pixel to white. And then we'll set up the previous generation. And now let's run the next generation. We want to go from 2 to 499 because we want to look at the left and the right neighbors, and the edgemost cells don't have neighbors. And then let's actually calculate the rule index for the current cell. To do this, we take the previous left, multiply by 4, add the previous center, multiply by 2. And add the previous right cell. And then we add 1 because BASIC it has one indexed arrays. And then we set the current cell to the rule index we calculated, pulled out of the rule array. And that's it. Let's run it.